I just had this thought of a small town at the bottom of a big hill, and there's like a dam at the top of that hill, and the dam breaking, and all of that water coming down. And you're, as a therapist, this town that's like, oh my goodness,
Yeah.
now I need to pick through the pieces of what happened there and what's going on. That seems impossible. How do you
It's
do that?
oftentimes the thing that people think that they're coming into therapy for is not what we end up addressing.